I just got here to the beach. Look at this beautiful sand. It's so white. To grind myself. Today is all about grounding. Grounding, grounding. I really recommend it. When you're so stressed out, ground yourself. Beautiful or what? This is so beautiful, so peaceful. The sand is so soft. So pretty. I don't know where I'm going, but I know I have to go somewhere. Don't you feel like that sometimes? You don't know where you're going, but you need to go somewhere? That's exactly how I feel today. I just know that I need to be like grounding myself. Feels so good. I love you. Thank you for healing me, for holding me, and guide me, and protect me, and heal me. I love you. lost by myself. I hardly recommend it. Go somewhere and just get lost. Why not? Continue getting lost. Oh, I see. People sometimes just, if you don't know where you're going, but you feel like you need to go somewhere, I recommend go to the beach, go to a park, ground, walk, and you will be guided, and you will feel so much better. Get lost. You don't have to worry where you're going. Just go somewhere. Enjoy. This is beautiful. I enjoy. I don't know that I was gonna be here. I just have the urge to get out and go somewhere and get lost and walk. And who cares about the rest of the people? Just ground, walk, breathe, decompress, meditate or not meditate. Listen to your feelings and your thoughts and enjoy. Don't stay locked up in your home or in your room. Get out of there if you don't feel comfortable and you feel like, oh, I don't know what's going on. Just pack your things, get your motorcycle or start walking and go somewhere. It doesn't matter if you don't have a destination. Just go and you will be glad you did that. Like me. And now I'm walking, lost. I still don't know where I'm going, but I'm continue walking. I'm sure that I'm being guided to the right place. And that's all that matters. And look, I've been seeing cool, beautiful places. Finding places to go and meet people and talk and ground and enjoy and feel happy and balance my emotions, my energy, and relax. I'm sure I will make some friends. Don't worry if you don't have a destination. Just go somewhere and get lost by yourself. You will be happy. You will be glad you did. Look, walking by myself, it got me here. Where I'm going, I don't know. They am happy? Yes. I feel better? Yes. They am grounding? Yes. They have been guided? Absolutely. Protected? Absolutely. I am loved beyond measure. And I'm still lost walking by myself. But I don't worry. And now I'm here in Tantra. So it was pretty much worth it.